In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Flights currency to USD. This step-by-step guide is perfect for travelers who are planning international trips but prefer to see flight prices in US dollars. Using Google Flights to book your next adventure. Let's ensure the currency setting aligns with your needs, making your planning and comparison process smoother. First and foremost, let's navigate to Google Flights. You can do this by typing https://www.google.com/travel/flights into the search bar of your preferred internet browser. Google Flights is a powerful, user-friendly tool provided by Google that aggregates flight prices from various sources to help you find the best deals. Once you're on the Google Flights homepage, the real magic begins. Upon arriving at the Google Flights website, you'll notice a variety of options and features available at your fingertips. But before we dive into changing currency settings, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Sign In button. Click it to proceed. Signing in is crucial as it not only allows you to save your preferences, but also syncs your travel data across devices. Following the prompt to sign in, you will be directed to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you wish to use with Google Flights. This account selection ensures that all your travel data and preferences are consolidated under one account, making your travel planning more organized. After selecting your account, it's time to enter your Google password. This step is standard for any sign-in process and ensures that your account remains secure. Type your password carefully into the designated box. Once you've entered your password, click Next to proceed. You're now signed into Google Flights with your preferred Google account, and we can move on to the main show, changing the currency setting. Now let's scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, amongst various options and information, you'll find the currency selection. It might seem like a small detail in the grand scheme of your travel plans, but ensuring the currency display matches your preference can significantly streamline your flight search process. After scrolling to the bottom, you'll notice an option labelled Currency. Go ahead and click on this. This step brings up a list of different currencies, allowing you to choose the one most relevant to you. For those seeking prices in US dollars, you'll want to look for US dollar in the list. It might seem like a simple step, but it's one that personalizes the Google Flights experience to better suit your needs. Once you've found US dollar, select it. This choice adapts the website to display all flight prices in USD, transforming the way you view and compare flight options. It's a small touch that can make a big difference, especially for those keeping a close eye on their travel budget. Finally, to confirm your selection, click on OK. With this, the page will refresh, and voila, all flight prices should now be displayed in US dollars. This change not only makes it easier for you to estimate costs without having to convert currencies, but also ensures that you're working with a familiar currency throughout your travel planning process. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing your Google Flights currency setting to US dollars. Remember, while the currency display is a small part of planning your travels, it's details like these that can make the experience more tailored and less stressful. Now, with prices in your preferred currency, you're one step closer to booking your next adventure. Don't forget, Google Flights offers many other features to explore, from filtering flight options to setting price alerts. So while you're here, why not dive deeper and see how else it can assist in making your travel planning as seamless as possible. Happy travels, and may you find the best deals for all your adventures.